Transform your Jeep Grand Cherokee with an aggressive, track-inspired look. Today, we're installing the Vicrez rocker panels, Trackhawk SRT style for a bold, aerodynamic upgrade.
So right now, guys, we're gonna go ahead and install the Trackhawk SRT style rocker panels. Now, if you're wondering how you can find these, you can just go to Google and type in vz101919 and our Trackhawk SRT style rocker panel should pop up. Whenever we go ahead and install this, these little clips that align with the car should just pop into place in these holes along the bottom of the car panel. Now there may be a couple of old clips in place that were holding the old side skirts in place. You want to go ahead and remove those before you install your new side skirts. Now you're going to go ahead and align the front side skirt, and the clips located along the edge of our side skirt should line up with the holes on the bottom of your car, and they should just pop right in place. After installing, this is what the finished product should look like. Now, after you pop on your side skirt, you want to go ahead and install the clips that are included with the kit. Now, there's 10 total. There's several located along the bottom and 2 located along the side of the front and back of the side skirt. And here are the clips that line the bottom. You guys are gonna need 20 clips in total. There's 6 that line the bottom, as shown before, and 2 on each side, as indicated before. And as you guys can see, like on the other side, like before, there are slots that indicate where you should put the rivets in place.